Hello once again mga ka-Maniaga-tech. Ako nga pala ulit si Mark Louie Maniaga from Maniaga-tech PH. So as usual, ito yung first time ko magpalit ng wallpaper. And ito yung totoo kong wallpaper na related ito sa Facebook page ko. Then if you like to contact us, then if you have any concerns, so contact nyo lang ako. And pwede natin ayusin ang computer and laptops. And sagot kong magiging questions nyo. Okay? So, ang ituturo ko ngayon is about Windows installation. So, meron tayong two ways dito. Yung isa is merong actual hardware. So, meron tayong USB flash drive. Kung natatandaan nyo na gumawa ko ng multiple USB flash drive, sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood din, ipopost ko na lang dito sa ating screen. Okay? Tapos, yung isa is virtual machine. So, para saan yun? Sometimes is no required for actual USB flash drive. So we need only use the case our ISO image file as of the moment. This is for testing purposes. So make sure is yung ISO image file natin is more stable and wala itong corrupted file and hindi ito maging missing file sa ating installation of Windows or Windows installer. So pag pinindot ko tong search button, lalabas dito ang reason is itong VMware and VirtualBox. For now, I'm using VMware. Okay? So, gagawa tayo ng virtual machine. Next is, gagamit tayo ng recommend settings. This is for few easy steps. Sabihin natin, ito yung latest version. For that, advanced custom is, make sure meron tayong SCSI controller type and for older versions of operating system and older version of virtual machine. Okay? So, dito tayo sa recommend settings. Click next. Pwede kayo mag-direct dito kung gusto nyo. Automatic inserted yung ISO image file. But as of the moment, I will install the operating system later. Okay? Next. Pwede kayo maglagay ng Windows 10 if you like. Windows 10 muna tayo. So, click next. Then sa location, mag-change ako dahil ito ay naka-enable yung Windows back. Yan nga, sa Windows backup. Tapos, yung Microsoft account ko, mapupuno ito. So, ayokong mas-stuck ito doon. So, pindot ako sa this PC, Acer, then hanapin ko ay firmware. So, doon ako magsa-store instead. Then, click next. Then, single file. So, this is not necessary using multiple files. I'm using single file. Then, hayain ko dito sa 68. For testing lang ito. Then, before tayo mag-finish, customize hardware muna tayo. Kunin ko ang 4 gig, hihiramin lang natin dito sa main memory. Huwag niyong isagad sa 8 gig dahil magiging system crash ito doon and ma-interrupt ang ating installation. Unless kung nag-upgrade tayo sa 32 gig as maximum, then much better. Normally what happens once na hiniram nyo lahat ng memory sa 8 gig, mas babagal ang installation tapos hindi maganda ang performance. Bukod sa blue screen of death na memory management, then other things like that. Marami pa yung issue. Sa processors, kukuha ko ng, I think 1, kunyari 1. So, pwedeng 2 as default. Then, ang gagawin ko ay pili ko ng dual core kunyari. But for me, ayan, balik ko sa 1. Isang processor lang kasi ito. Pwedeng dual core, yan, 2 or 4. Single core is 1. Then, okay na yan. But before natin i-proceed sa close, so otherwise, hindi ito gagana ang installation kung hindi tayo nag-insert ng ISO image file. Then, physical drive is kung meron tayong DVD-ROM, for me, ISO image file. Kunin natin ang ISO, then open. Kasi lalabas doon pag hindi lumabas yung ISO image file, then wala kayong na-insert, lalabas no OS found, no operating system found. Then click close na natin, then finish. So, nandito na tayo sa procedure ng Windows 10. Power on this virtual machine. So, i-click na natin. Then, ignore natin itong message. Hindi naman necessary as of the moment. Okay, wait natin. Then, enter. Kasi pag hindi natin pinindot ang enter, magiging timeout boot. Tapos, i-restart pa natin ito. So, hanggat mangyayari, para hindi ma-interrupt ang installation process, huwag natin muna pindutin ito. Pwede naman later on. So, wait lang natin ito as of the moment. So, nandito na tayo sa Windows installation. Click natin itong currency format dahil nandito tayo sa Philippines. Kukuha tayo ng isa dito. If you are in United States, dapat US. Ito ay nakastay lang dito. So, I do not to do anything special here. Click next. Install now. Setup is starting. So, wait lang natin ito within a few seconds. Alright, as of now, nanghingi si Activate Windows which is our 25-digit product key. For now, hindi ko muna to insert. Pwede naman later on or pag bumili ako ng product key. But since virtual machine ito, hindi ko i-activate ito. Dahil testing lang natin kung nagpa-perform ba ito na maayos ang ating ISO image file. So I don't have a product key to skip. Then kukuha ko ng different versions of Windows itong edition na to. So karamihan dito ay Home and Pro and then Home Single Language. Ang Home Single Language, that's for laptops only. I'm gonna choose Windows 10 Pro. Imagine ko na lang na ito ay desktop PC. Karamihan dito is Pro. Click next. Then, kung gusto niyo naman basahin lahat ng license terms, then pwede naman. For me, accept license terms dahil lalo itong time consuming to. Click next. Then, Windows only advanced. Then, kapag upgrade kasi is kung meron tayong existing operating system na gusto nating i-upgrade. Then, dito is unallocated space. Gagawa lang kayo ng partition kung gusto nyong hatiin ito. But for me, since first install, hayaan natin itong magtrabaho ng kanya. Click next. Windows automatically partitions and formats the drive for you. So you don't have to do any of that. So it does that now. So unless is kung meron tayong existing data na nandito, then need natin i-wipe off lahat to delete partition. But since brand new drives ito is automatic siya mag-install ng kanyang operating systems and mag-copy lahat ng files and make it their own partition. Pwede naman kayo maghati ng partition later on do sa disk management if you like. Pero do sa procedure na sinabi ko na yan about disk management, ito na yan sa next video sa mismong actual. Kaya hindi ako naghahati ng partition sa simula pa lang sa pag-install ng Windows. So, it's still going. Kaya ang mangyayari dito ay hayaan ko muna tong matapos ang installation. So, tamang-tama nakahain dito pagkain ko dito, which is oatmeal, banana, and milk. So I must leave it on my table and hayain ko matapos ito ang installation. Hayaan lang natin 'to, then balikan na lang natin 'to later on, okay? So ito na everyone, nagbabalik. Then chineck ko na everything else, yung recording then good, straight ahead naman. And of course, yung do not disturb mode. Sometimes may mga recordings talaga na nagpa-pop up something like yung social media. Kaya minamute ko muna ang notification kasi nai-interrupt ito sa ginagawa kong recording na ito. I'm not so sure kung lumitaw ito sa last video ko ang mga pop-up messages nang galing dito sa notification, which is galing yun sa phone link ng Samsung phones ko, nakalink sa Windows. Sometimes merong pop-up itself sa main system. Right, so pwede natin pinutin na click restart if you want, but for me, hayaan ko muna to. Ganon din naman. And then when it does, magre-restart siya ng ilang beses dahil sa mga setups and everything else. So in several times, magre-restart ulit ang virtual machine dahil sa mga system setups, sa paglalagay ng features and system updates, and of course yung features. So need natin mag-wait ulit. And tama-tama, pwede kayong kumain muna or mag-coffee break, water break, whatsoever. Then I must wait here until it comes to finish. Alright, so nandito tayo sa out-of-the-box experience or in short, OOBE. Since Philippines tayo, using Philippines, then click yes. Alright, nag-pop up yung do not disturb mode. So anyway, never mind. Sinadya ko talagang lagyan do not disturb mode dahil yung social media ko na mga privacies ko is nandun interrupted sa screen recording. Eh nakakahiya, makikita yung privacies. Alright, nandito tayo sa US of course, keyboard layout and second keyboard layout para ito sa touchscreen something like one of those skip. Hindi ko kailangan yun. Unless kung may tablet PC, something like that, yun ang pwede. Alright, so I'm back once again. Nandito tayo sa options kung anong gagawin natin sa setup. So meron dito sa two options is for organization. Then yung isa is for personal use. So I must use is set up as personal. Click next. And then unlike sa home edition, kapag nakakonect tayo sa internet, then hindi tayo makapag-skip for this process. So, pinakailangan naka-Microsoft account tayo. But in Pro version is ito offline account as skip for this process para dito sa Microsoft account. If without offline account, I'm not so sure is pwede itong i-bypass. Unlike sa Windows 11, pwede ka mag-bypass. Offline account. Okay, so dito tayo sa limited experience. Unlike kasi sa Windows 11, for that older builds like 2021, is makapag-skip tayo sa process na to for this kind of situation. Bukod dun sa internet, then yung Microsoft account that will lead us to make instead of local accounts. Yung, but nowadays, in latest builds of Windows 11 is need na rin natin ma-bypass. So, sino gagamit ng PC? Type is okay, VMware na lang. Next, if you want to create password, then pwede naman. But for me, leave it alone to skip kasi anytime once na may password, is talaga manghingi talaga ng password every time na maglalogin tayo. And when it does, kapag wala naman, this should be skip this part of process. And then nandito tayo sa recent browsing data is pwede nyo i-accept or pwede nyo not now. For me, sige, accept natin. Pwede naman not now if you want. Hindi mo kasi sa pilitan yun. Then, dito sa privacy is pwede naman kayo mag-enable or disable. For me is pwede kung enable lahat. Or kung ayaw nyo naman, disable natin lahat kung gusto nyo. Ayan, so lahat disabled. Accept. And then, pwede naman kayo kumuha ng customize for this experience kung gusto nyo. Okay, kung ayaw niya naman, pwede naman natin skip kasi mas matatagal ang process. Mag-install ko siya ng extra features dito sa Pro. So, skip na natin. Mas matatagal kasi yun eh. Alright? So, nandito tayo. Ayan. Nag-hi na siya. So, hello. And we're getting everything ready for you. And this might take several minutes. So, we're not sure kung gano'ng katagal. But sabi nga dito, several minutes. Then we must wait until lumabas ang that's the part na may Windows logo, ang ating wallpaper. So, wait na lang natin to. And ito na, nandito. So, ito na ang setup ng ating Windows. Yan. So, pag i-install natin ang drivers is very different. Kapag actual computers, di talaga natin ang manually installation. It's either from Windows Update or it's either kumuha tayo sa manufacturer website. Dati, ginawa ko to is Windows Update only. Naging okay naman, but I don't trust it. But instead, kumuha ko sa Microsoft, hindi Microsoft pala. I mean, the manufacturer website. Example is acer.com. Or if you have any brand na kapag nasa sa PC, then hanapin niyo ang manufacturer website nito. Example, Gigabyte or Emacs or Asus, whatsoever. Lalabas yun ang manufacturer website. Then pag laptop, most likely marami yan. Makikita nyo. Sa akin kasi is Acer pagka actual laptop. But since ito ay VMware or any kind of virtual machine, iba ang pag-install ng drivers. But I think, mamaya ko na pa pindutin to. Hanapin natin ang VM tab, then hanapin natin ang install firmware tools. Yun ang magsisilbing drivers dito. Huh. So, ang difference is wala or mayroon. Ayan. Ayun, nag-loading na pala. Alright. Punta tayo dito sa File Explorer. Then, hanapin ko sa this PC. Hanapin ang VMware tools. Then, run as administration. Sige. For VMware tools installation, okay. Ito ang drivers for VMware. Mag-full screen siya and then wider screen whatsoever. Click next. And typical. Pwedeng typical, but for me, complete. Dapat sa complete products tayo. Next, and install. Ayan. So, hintayin natin matapos ang pag-install ng drivers. Then, after that, need niya mag-install ng So then after that, and then when so click natin ang restart. And when it does, then the computer needs to restart completely to take effect and lahat nito ay installed properly. Make sure na everything is in function and there's one in place. Lumawak to, then let's see kung babagawin natin ang display settings. Mm-hmm. Let's see kung magawin natin sa 1925 NT. Wait. Okay, what if palawakin natin? Hmm? Yes, lumawak, pero much wider. Then, pwede natin mag-on ulit ng display resolution if you like. Pero let's choose this one. Yan. As of now, ganito muna. Parang same to sa dati kong laptop 1336. I mean, 1366 by 768. And that's pretty much it. So natapos natin pag-install ng Windows operating system using the virtual machine. And once again, ako nga pala ulit si Mark Louie Maniaga from Maniaga.tech. And kung nagustuhan itong video to, so hit the like button. And kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell as well for more videos and ma-notify nyo to lahat ng mga updates na ma-release ko itong next video na gagawin ko for those schedules. Right? So, ito na. Tapos na ang ating Windows 10 installation. Then sa next video ay gagawa ko ng uh, mga Windows 8. Yeah, ganyan, Windows 8. And ang Windows 11, masyado mabigat. Alright, virtual machine pa rin ang gagamitin ko. And goodbye for now.